All right, y'all. So today is a big day. You know, I've been battling this water problem for a long time now in the basement. Every time it rains, we have a swimming pool that we can't swim in, right? So today is the day where the guys come from Michigan Basements and they're gonna work on this wall. And you know, I'm really happy about that. It's very expensive. Oh my goodness, it's expensive. But I'm tired of pumping water, y'all. I've been dealing with this for years now, actually. But more importantly, like the last 3 months since we've been getting rain, it's been crazy, you know. And the brother is tired, so I'm thankful. Like I said, I'm thankful that it's finally going to get taken care of. It's a lot of money. I don't know how to pay for it yet, but we'll see. We'll see, right? Y'all send up some prayers for us, right? So we can get this done quickly. But look, so I had to we had set up this nice floor for the kids, and it's been fun. The water has jacked it up, and the cats have been chewing on everything, you know, doing what cats do. This is what we're looking at now. So they're going to come in, bust out the rest of that wall, and they're going to put a track system down on the floor and some type of vapor barrier on that back wall as well. And the tracking system, I guess, is supposed to run along the wall, down by the fireplace, out back there. The Kaaba. Oh my God, I hope I get a chance to get back there. Most beautiful place in the world. All right, so anyway, it's gonna come around somewhere back there, somewhere through there, and this system's supposed to end up somewhere here to drain out and do what it's supposed to do. Go back outside to the earth where it's supposed to be and not in my basement. So we'll see, it's gonna be a long process. Wife and the kids have gone to in-laws' house, mom and dad's house, to spend some time over there because it's going to be noisy and dusty and all that stuff. I have some peace of mind with them being out of the house while all this work is going on. So that's what it is. Peace. All right, so it's later in the day now. A lot of work has been done, demolition and jackhammering. So far, so good. Still a ways to go, but at the end of day one, this is what we look like. All right, so yeah, some progress. I didn't have to do nothing. Just had to watch. And when it's done, I gotta pay for it. Alhamdulillah. guys, so let's get on with this update. So Michigan Basement have been working hard over the last couple days, and they got things looking good. So let's check it out. Okay, so we're in a better situation now than we were before. Now it's just a matter of letting the cement dry and everything settle up. And the next phase of this will be to repair the walls and do some painting, and then try to figure out what we're gonna do for the floor. And I'm not quite sure yet. Most likely we'll end up going with carpet squares, something like that, just to still try to keep it soft and protected for the kids, because you know they want to run and flipping stuff all on the floor, and the cement is too too rough for them. So we'll try to get some more carpet down or something like that. And yeah, that's it. We're getting there.